Jake, today we're going to go over table saw safety. First things you need to know: hard hat, hearing protection, 2 different kinds. Should be worn at all times. Here are some of the push and pull sticks you need to use. Come on over here. I'll show you. These are some of the push and pull sticks that are necessary for the machine. This one here, this is for when you're doing the width of cuts. You set it in the track and you push it right along, keeps it stable. Some of the other features: the guard comes off like this. Just unscrew this and pull it out. When you shut the saw down, always keep the blade, put the blade down when not in use. When in use, bring the blade up with this wand. This particular one here is put the blade on a bevel. I'll show you that. And then you just turn it. Just puts the blade on a bevel, whatever bevel you want, 45-degree angle, whatever, but usually just on 0. Okay, I'm going to cut some wood for you. I'll show you how to set up the saw for cutting wood. Take your piece of wood, raise the saw up to where it just cuts through the top. Set your saw guard over the top of the blade. Connect it. And we're going to we'll set it at 4 inches. Come on over here, I'll show you how to turn the saw on. You got it on lockout, tag out. Grab the key, lock the lock, turn it on, then you turn your dust collection machine on. Now you're ready to make a cut. When you turn the saw on, make sure you have everything you need in the area, your push stick, the saw on. Set it against the bench. Come on over here, I'll show you. All the way through, turn the saw off, until the blade comes to a complete stop before removing your work. Saw came to a complete stop. Come over here, you're done making your cut. Turn the dust collection off, turn the power off, put the lock on. Back over to the saw, remove your scrap and your piece. Since you're done with the saw, we want to do what? Lower the blade, right? Lower the blade. That concludes table saw safety. Done.